going to file this under quick tips and tricks. I often get comments in videos on people saying, oh, you're turning the bolt the wrong way, or you're, righty tighty lefty loosey, or whatever. And there's a simple reason why you backspin a bolt, and I'm going to show it to you. Anyway, this is a plastic oil filler cap, or crankcase filler on a motorcycle. So you don't want to cross thread this when you're putting it in. How do you ensure you're not cross threading it? Most of the times you put a bolt in, and if you start gently turning it and it's going in, you know it's going in. If you don't, I have to use the other hand. Turn it the opposite direction and listen. Oh, hold on. There we go. Did you hear that? I'll do it again. Opposite direction. That was the threads seating themselves and aligning themselves properly. So backspinning a bolt, or turning it in the opposite direction. I'm obviously not trying to tighten this. That's how you loosen it. But if you loosen it to the right point, the threads will drop in and align themselves. Listen. Aligned. So especially on something plastic that you don't want to, you want to make sure you're not cross-threading, backspinning a bolt, and then you will hear it drop into position and the threads line up, and then you can tighten it. Thank you very much for watching.